Oh, Steve.
Triple M's Awesome 80s. All the songs that you grew up with.
Oh, look at the bird. Sorry.
Safety of our birds. Our birds have migrated here from all sorts of different homes. In fact,
the really cool thing about these is that they are the closest. We are going to make our way relatively quickly because we have a photo. If you are
Wow, I've been there earlier.
I'll chat and look up at me.
Well, Ethan. It's like staring at front of my head.
Yeah. They are very big birds with very big beaks, and we don't want to get anybody bitten. We got a couple of macaws. Winged macaws. We got some gold macaws, which are the blue and yellow. And we got some scarlet macaws, which are the red, yellow, and pink. We have also got some Amazon parrots. Wow. This is the
Whoa.
new one.
Oh, those little birds. Those tiny birds. Whoa. Go on, what have I got? What color is it?
Green.
What kind of one though? Like,
Green with some pink. Tom is making a lot of friends.
another one.